Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing the month of August's SHTF Mystery Survival Gear, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, what SHTF is, it's a monthly subscription box you get in your mailbox every month. This box is the primary box. It's only $20 plus shipping, and it comes with 1 to 2 cutting tools, plus a bunch of cool survival gear items that could be pretty handy to you. I find this box to actually be pretty useful and valuable, and I recommend it. I am not sponsored by these people. I just really like their gear. We're gonna go ahead and dig right into this. And in every box, there's a card that tells you what's in the box. And there's also some paper. Alrighty. This box is actually pretty decent. Curious as to what some of these are. Where's the card? Oh, right there. Okay. So, the retail value of this box is $72.94, and there are 6 items. There's also a Pro box that's $50 and an Elite that's $90. I'm going to show you why at the end of the video, why it's good to get just the primary box versus the other ones. And I'll also tell you what I missed. So, let's go ahead and get on to the first item here. The first item is a 3-pack LED zipper pull flashlights. These retail for $12. And I assume that's what these are. These are very simple to put on a zipper. You just slide this through your zipper hole, and then you put this, wrap it through here, and then you pull it tight. And then you got a flashlight on your backpack, pretty much. Which, I mean, that's pretty cool. Or your coat, or what else. There's a little piece of paper in there, but there are batteries. There we go. And there is orange, green, and blue. So that's pretty cool. That is very cool. Alright, the next item in the box is a Bushmaster fixed blade knife and sheath. This retails for $20. Already getting into the knife. Alright. I'm already seeing tape, so go ahead and just grab this other knife to get to this knife. Alright. Kind of curious as to what this is going to look like here. An odd piece of paper of sorts there on the bottom. But here's the knife. It says Bushmaster on the front, and it looks like a viper, but it's plastic. And then it's got a nylon, got a little bit of nylon here on the top where the belt loop is. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get to the knife itself. Alright. So first off, it's a straight edge blade, so that means it's usable. I can fix it with my knife sharpener without having to take a round file to the edges there. So that's awesome. It's got this like rip saw like back, and it's sharp. So that's cool. I'm not really feeling a 90-degree spine. Okay, I guess, yeah, right here. So I guess you'd put a ferro rod right in this spot, and that's where you'd strike it. Doesn't look like it unscrews anywhere. That is cool. Is this full tang, or is this a fixed blade. So you're gonna have to be a little bit careful with a fixed blade, just because of the fact that, especially since this is a plastic handle, this could get loose on you and it could just break off the handle. So that's the only downside about this knife. But other than that, it feels pretty good. And it's got these holes in the side, so you could even strap this to a spear, or onto a stick to make it into a spear. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and get on to the next item. Alright, up next in the box is a Bugout water bottle holder with compass. This retails for $6. And this is it right here. It's a D-ring carabiner with compass, and this compass does work. It actually works fairly well. Now the purpose of this is, you can kind of see on the back of this here, a plastic water bottle. It clips right into this thing and it just holds it. I don't know for sure if it will hold. That's my only thing. I could see it falling easily, but I guess a trial run will only see if it'll work, so that's cool. Up next in the box is a Hidden Spy bolt safe. This retails for $10. So it's just a bolt. So yeah, it looks just like a bolt. It's got a washer on here, but if you twist this top part, there's a little container in there. You could probably make this in like a little match holder. You could probably store some little things in there. I don't know. You'd be able to store exactly, unless you're doing something illegal. But yeah. Cool. Okay. Alrighty, up next is a camping multi-tool spork. This retails for $15. And here's what it looks like. It's very cool. I'll go ahead and get it out of the package here. It's by Trailblazer, which I know it's a well-known company. I know Walmart's got, I think, some Trailblazer items, as well as BudK and SHTF. But it's got a nice little spoon here, and a fork. It's like a bottle opener here on the side. I don't know what this... I guess could be used as a weapon or a claw. I don't know. It's almost kind of reminds me of that cartoon. It's like, beware my spoon, you know. They're like, oh no, the spoon. Got some it's like something to take some bolts off there. Some gosh, what do you call them? Sockets. And then there's a small carabiner here on the top to hang it on your backpack. That's very cool. Very cool. $15, I don't know if that's a good value for it, but it is metal. But yeah, that's pretty nifty. But yeah, $15, I don't see that being really that great of a price for it, but heck, I'll use it. I will definitely use it. For the last thing in the box, this retails for $10, and this is Wise Foods 2-serving entree. So they sent me some food. That's pretty cool. So it's by the Wise Company, and it's cheesy lasagna with sausage. Huh. It says lightweight and packable. It's an emergency supply. It's got an extended shelf life, and it's great for camping and backpacking. It's got 15 grams of protein per serving. Since this is 2 servings, it's got 30 grams of protein, and you just eat it in the pouch. You boil water, you add it to the pouch, you just wait and then eat. And it says this was made April 23rd, 2019. And let me see when it expires here. It should have something like a 20-year shelf life. Because I know some of these foods have a 20-year shelf life. Sometimes 10, maybe 5. Yeah, it tells you when it was made.
Is it on the bottom?
No? I'm not seeing an expiration date, but normally you don't have to worry about powdered foods, especially if it's sealed in this thick plastic material. So, but that is cool. I might have to do a review on this and see if this tastes any good. So, heck yeah. I love food reviews. Alrighty. And then I noticed they threw in an extra gift. I noticed in the last box they threw an extra gift, that was pretty cool. But they threw a little Velcro patch in here for me. It just says SHTF, and it's got a little gas mask. It's very cool. Very cool. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I missed. So for the Pro Box, I would have gotten a Trailblazer flexible camping sink for $15. Okay, that's kind of cool. And then an adjustable multi-tool with flashlight. But everything featured in the primary box, you get plus this. So the retail value comes out to $107, but you're spending $50. So it's, you know, oof, kind of spendy. Now, if you go down to the Elite, it includes everything and above. I would have gotten an M48 Ops seat back gun rack for $30, or an Intense ultralight camping cot for $70. Huh.
That actually sounds like a better deal than the last ones we've been seeing.
Yeah, the last ones actually, if you look back at the other boxes, the last few haven't really been great, but these actually sound pretty good.
Like we should have spent more money.
Right? It's alright though. Majority of the time though, it is worth just getting the primary box, trust me. Like if you go back through all of my SHTF box reviews, I'm gonna say get the primary box. Like it's the ultimate better box, the better deal, the way to go. So alrighty guys, well I enjoyed these items, and if you enjoyed these items, go ahead and hit that like button down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment for me. I love hearing from you guys, and it keeps me motivated. I just flat out like hearing from you. I do stuff like this once a week, or try to at least do stuff like this once a week. I know this is my second box in a month. My last one kind of leaked into August a little bit, but I just haven't had time to do it because of work. Yeah, but I do try to do stuff like this once a week, whether it be unboxings, outdoor stuff, camping, hiking, backpacking, fishing, that sort of thing. So if you're into that type of thing, go and hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.